guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. Oof. Okay, well anyways, yeah, this is basically where I live right now, and this is one of my friends, Rosie. She's just a bot, basically. So, see, we could talk, and I can also change her outfit, because I'm on level 2. And our friendship has gone to level 4 actually. So it says I can change her, but I honestly don't have anything for her to wear, so okay, so anyways, there's not really much to say here, but you can, like, I'm gonna show you got the map. You can go to different places and meet different people on the game, and you can actually be friends with people. See, here are my contacts. I haven't gotten all of them except for Apollo and Rosie. I can get Eugene, I think. I'm not sure. See, it's cats, dogs, bear, bird, koala, and eagle, I guess. So you can make friends. See, you can make friends. I have no friends yet, so you guys can add me if you want. Let's see. How do you add? Oh yeah, you just what's it called? Just put in my ID, and then we'll become friends. So I'll repeat my ID. 164. I mean, just no. Okay, so let me start over. It's 1654 space 2140 space, and lastly 040. I'll say it again. 1650 space. Wait, oh my god, I think I said it wrong. 1654 space 2140 040. Okay, so I'll link it down in the description below, so you guys can go check it out. And see, this is where you add friends. See, you can share an ID, or you can enter my ID. So make sure you guys, if you want to be my friends, well then just enter my ID. I'll add all of you guys. Probably won't have that much because, you know, I'm just starting out my channel, and I actually find this really fun, but I mostly don't have enough time to like post videos, but today I do, so that's good. Okay, anyways, oh, what did I do? Now it's gonna take forever. Oh, okay. So anyways, you can actually, yeah, these are my collected items. My craft materials, you can actually bake stuff with them. Wait, I have these? Oh my gosh, I actually have these. Okay, I'm gonna take off these socks. I don't like them. Oh my gosh, I can wear this. That's so cool. You know what? Oh my gosh, no, take that off. Take that off. What's that? Oh no. I'm actually gonna turn off the volume so you guys can hear. There you go. Tell me if you guys can't hear me. I'm not sure. Comment down below if you guys can't hear me. I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit. I really like bow, so that's good. I think I'm just gonna change back to my normal outfit. Let me see. I think that's it. Oh my gosh, I forgot. You can actually go in your little camper. Well, your RV or whatever. Oh, I like the white, red, and yellow dress a lot. It's pretty. I might have to go check that out. I don't know when. Oh yeah, so this is, you can actually arrange your stuff. We're gonna arrange it. There you go. I'm just gonna say I want to arrange it. How can I rotate? Oh, you just click on it. I'll move this right here. There you go. Oh wait, go back. I'm gonna change it like that. And I guess I'll put the plant right here. Just so I'll have enough space. See, now it looks so much better. I will probably, yeah, I can't move around. So I'm just going, ooh, that looks nice. And you can turn off and on the lights. So I'm gonna see what's the best way I can do it. I think I'm gonna move this and this right here. Move it right here. And then I'll make this little spot. And the plant will go right here. I'm pretty sure I don't really need the plant, but whatever. It's just there. For a reason, I guess. There we go. Much better. I can't really move that much. But you can actually sit on the furniture. You just tap it. Can move, so I'm gonna get off actually. And oh my gosh, this is really hard to navigate, kind of. Let's go somewhere. So next to my chair. Really nice. Okay, well, let's actually go to the map. Let's go up here. Open the map. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. I guess we can go to the marketplace. There's no clothes there anymore, so I do need more clothes. Just, you know, just for me to wear. But anyways, okay, let's see. So it's my first time going to the marketplace in this game. But yeah. Okay, so, oh, okay. There's Isabel. She's also on, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, I think. I'm not sure. I don't even know, like, if, I don't have the game, but my brother does. But yeah. I also linked his channel down in every video I have. Well, in every video I make. But, yeah. Okay, she's talking way too much. I don't care. Okay, there we go. Finally. So, oh, these, oh, I don't even like the clothes. No, thank you. These clothes suck. No, thank you. Oh, he's so cute. I'm gonna talk to him. What? Oh my gosh, okay. Well, okay, fortune cookies. Oh, okay. Oh, I get a prize. Sure. I want to order a cookie. How much can we order? I'm not really sure. Oh my gosh, that's super nice. Wait, go back. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. What is that? I don't know what this is, but okay. You know which one I like? These packs are. Oh, I like that one. Ooh, no, that one's nice. I like that one too. That one, meh. That one, meh. That one, meh. I really like this one, but I also like that one at the same time. This one, not really. But oh my gosh, I'm choking myself. But sure. Let's do it. Whatever, I don't care. Besides, I can just play and earn more money. Ooh, yum. Wish I had a fortune cookie right now. You're due for the karaoke performance of a lifetime. Are you serious? I got a dumb towel rack. Are you serious? I don't even need that. Oh my gosh, it took mostly all my money. Never mind. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? I wasted my money on that dumb cookie, fortune cookie or whatever. This thing's so dumb. Oh, that's a crafting person. I don't know, whatever. Whoa, what's this? Slipper rack. 2 shelf. I like that chair, but I don't have enough money anymore because of that. The little kid or whatever. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad right now. I wasted my money. I had a bunch, as you guys saw, but now I don't even have enough. Whatever. So guys, yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I might make another part or whatever. But yeah. So actually, you know what? I'm not gonna make a part 2. I might make another video tomorrow. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this a big like, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the notification so you guys won't miss any of my latest videos. Bye guys!